Hello guys, today I've got REDMI Buds 8 Lite and I'm going to show you how you can easily perform a factory reset. To successfully perform a factory reset, you need to forget them from your device at first. So, on your Android phone or iPhone, you need to just unpair them. Here, their icon, and now unpair. And once you do that, take your earbuds into your hands. Close the case, open it, put both inside, and hold this button right here for 10 seconds. Push and hold. Now, this was our factory reset. That's it, goodbye.